Let's manifest you some money. So today we're going to play the wallet game as created by Esther Hicks, the famous law of attraction teacher who was featured in the hit DVD The Secret. She was also in Asking It Is Given, or she was the author of Asking It Is Given, Money and the Law of Attraction, The Vortex, and I'm sure there's other books written by her as well. She's a fantastic teacher. So the wallet game is basically where you get $100, and what you do is you take the $100 and place it in your pocket, and as you go throughout your day, you look for things that you could purchase with your money. For example, if you go by a clothing store, you could say, oh, I could purchase a shirt there. If you go by a restaurant, you say, oh, I could purchase a meal there. If you're driving by a gas station, you tell yourself, I could purchase some gas. And what this is going to do is this is going to adjust your vibration so that you attract more wealth to yourself. You're going to keep putting yourself into a state of abundance over and over and over again, even though you haven't actually spent something. By acknowledging your ability to be able to purchase whatever it is that you want, you're going to attract more and more abundance to you until you have an overflow of abundance flowing to you because you keep putting yourself into an abundant state. If you don't have $100, that's okay. Just use whatever amount that you currently possess that you could walk around and acknowledge that you could purchase something with it. Even if you have $1, there's still items that you could purchase with $1. Just start wherever you're at and then begin practicing it. I want to adjust this game a little bit if you want to practice it right now. Go ahead and close your eyes. Take an easy, gentle breath. And I want you to think of the money that you currently possess. This is money that you currently have. And I want you to think of something that you could purchase right now with your money. Now I want you to think of another item that you could purchase with your money. And think of one more item that you could purchase with your money. Now go ahead and gently open your eyes now. So you've just activated the feeling tone of abundance 3 times. And as you go through your day, just continue to look for items that you could purchase with your money. And you're going to keep putting yourself into an abundant state over and over and over again. And this eventually is going to become your dominant state of being. And an overflow of abundance is going to take place for you. This is an easy exercise for you to manifest a lot of money. Try it out.